Full and short names in Russian. Николай, Коля, Мария, Маша, Борис, Боря, Анастасия, Настя, Григорий, Гриша, Екатерина, Катя, Петр, Петя, Елизавета, Лиза. A funny Russian idiom with a sad meaning. Imagine a situation you've been doing something, but all of that was in vain. And you are saying it all went down the drain. In Russian, we say коту под хвост. Коту под хвост. Literally, that means under the cat's tail. Why? I don't know. I have no idea. But we say that. When something goes in vain, we say коту под хвост. For example, вся работа коту под хвост. Говорить, молчать, кричать, шептать, мямлить, рычать, ворчать,